So Evergreen Lodge has about 1.8 million gallons that we captured and reused for gray water. So that was really successful. And then when the owners of the property of Evergreen decided to put in another lodge, a sister lodge called Rush Creek, one of the first things they asked was to do that pattern successfully again. And so we decided to look at the systems and say, what should we do? We have a different site, but it's similar in size. And so we looked at how much energy it would cost to pump and where we should put systems, and we're essentially using 99% of all the gray water. So some gray water systems go and they collect from every single shower and they put them all into one system that then redistributes it. That uses a lot of energy. So we wanted to reduce our carbon footprint and not use too much energy and also keep the maintenance low. So what instead we did is we went ahead and used different types of systems that sometimes if we could use gravity and not use energy and reduce our carbon footprint, we would. And so that would be counted as like a single system. So there's probably about 7 different types of gray water systems here and at Evergreen. But in total, Rush Creek Lodge has about 4 million gallons that we're reusing each year. That is the largest known project that we know of, and that really makes so many doors open for other lodges, schools, other entities to know this is economically feasible. It's a win-win to know that you can do something this large, but inherently have successes. We happen to be in a really tough place with soils here on this site, and so we wanted to regenerate soils so more plants could come in and grow, and also more water can percolate into our groundwater system and really rehydrate the watershed. So we use plants that fit those criteria. Big leaf maple is one of the most absolutely wonderful plants because it has a really large cover leaf and it's really gorgeous. And it's very paper thin and it gets inoculated by all this wonderful flora like fungus and bacteria, and it holds all of that, and when the leaves drop it builds soil very quickly and adds carbon. It's also atmospheric positive, it loves gray water. So big leaf maple is one of the most amazing plants that we use. It really demonstrates rebuilding soil, rebuilding habitat for birds and other animals, as well as protecting us against any fire danger. Some of the other plant palette that was used was also included to build beneficial insectaries as well as, of course, aesthetic value. So yarrows is one of those plants that we use throughout the property to add habitat value, bring in butterflies, bring in beneficial insects, so we use those everywhere. They're also really good at holding on to soil. We're building resilient systems with lowest amount of energy and using a plant palette that really will be restorative to the soil, and hopefully you don't really notice a lot of the landscaping and it looks natural, but know that there is a lot of wonderful wastewater that's producing a healthy habitat around us here at Rush Creek.